Alright, for this job you need a 5/32 Allen, two 11/16 or an 11/16 and an adjustable wrench, and a flathead, very small precision screwdriver. In order to change this sensor, just back that Allen head set screw out. You can take the whole bracket off. Going to loosen that nut. I'll take the sensor off the bracket and unplug the 4-way angle wire behind it. Get your new clear sensor out and a new bracket with a 1/2 inch hole through it. The nut you can just hand tighten. The buttons go to the top. Same angle wire goes right back on it. And then the bracket installs just as the one you took out. If the sensor is reading backwards, on the top is this adjustment screw. You can turn it, whoops, all the way over, and you can see the lights changed up there. That just changes how the sensor reads. It's exactly backwards, it's one way or the other. Right underneath of that screw is the sensitivity screw. You can adjust up or down, either way. And that's it.